Hi folks, Russ here. It's a Saturday morning and I'm working on this Saab estate car. It's got an odour, a strange odour. It's similar to decomposing vegetation, and it seems to be coming from the front footwells, from the passenger and the driver's footwell. Customer has removed the floor mats. Most of the odour is actually coming from the floor mats, suggesting that the passenger and the driver has possibly walked something into the carpet. And there is a lingering odour now. So what we're going to do, we're going to clean the footwells, disinfect the footwells and also those floor mats, and then we are going to dry everything and use ozone to further disinfect and remove any lingering odour that might be in the cabin of the vehicle. That will also penetrate deep into the air conditioning system and kill anything that might be present. So there you go. So let's come back to this in a little while and we'll see how it looks in. 3 hours later, we return back to this Saab estate car. What we've had to do is basically flood that entire footwell. Because of the age of the car and the budget, there is no way that this floor can be that we can get underneath the carpet. So we had to flood it and extract as much of what was in there. We've used a very powerful disinfectant to kill any bacteria that could have been causing the odour. All I can say is from the surface, I can't smell the smell that I could smell before we started. Okay. I've also done the footwells in the back, and for good measure, the boot area, because estate cars usually carry stuff, kids, rubbish, dogs, you know. We've done that one as well. The floor mats are drying elsewhere and they will be put back in the car once these carpets are dry. We've also ozoned the interior of the vehicle, and that will further kill any lingering odours that may have attached themselves to other areas of the vehicle, including the air conditioning system. Give us a call if you've got a problem with an odour in your vehicle.